What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. It's another 5-minute Friday, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm carrying for the month of April. Easter Sunday so happens to be this weekend, so I thought I would put together a loadout that kind of resembles Easter colors, but not so much. And before we get into this, just a quick reminder, my 500K giveaway is still going all the way up until April 13th. I hope to see you guys there on the live stream. It's going to be an amazing time, so make sure that you guys get your entries in ASAP. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's talk about my April pocket dump. Remember, this is a 5-minute Friday, so I'll try to keep it under 5 minutes. It might go a little bit over, but oh well if that happens. But first off, in this loadout, I've got the brand new purple water slider from Data Crew. This thing is in canvas and it just looks really nice. It's super poppy. Purple isn't my go-to color, but in terms of this specific loadout, it kind of matches up with everything inside it. Now, in terms of the patches, I've got a few on here, some of them being really old and you guys may have seen them before, and some of them brand new. The first one's going to be the Everyday Minimalist Data Crew Reaper collab patch. After that, we've got a mushroom coming from Toxic Patch Co., the Varsity Squad from 4T5 Design, the Always Tired Lean Cup, Cocktails and Dreams from Data Crew, and then the JRW box logo patch. In terms of the bead setup, I've got pink paracord along with a donut from Workerman. This thing actually came with the pocket art that's inside this pouch, so let's get right into it. When I go to open this thing up, it's laid out just like this. I always carry a Hank inside my pouches just to separate everything. This one's from Awesome Hank Co. with the Sakai Ha pattern. The first item inside my pouch is going to be my secondary knife, and that's none other than the Mini Osborne Gold Class from Benchmade. The reason why I went with this one specifically is because it has this really nice bolster that's in this nice aqua teal blue, and it's also got this really nice carbon fiber gold accents. This is just a really cool knife all around. I should probably put a review on it. It's got a Damasteel blade and everything. This is not a cheap knife whatsoever, but it goes along with the overall aesthetic in this pouch loadout. Next up is my pen of choice, and this is the Mini Click in All Timascus from Big Idea Design. Again, this is not a cheap pen whatsoever, but it went with the overall aesthetic. I'm going for pinks, blues, purples, and yellows, and this pen kind of ties it all together. This thing is pretty sweet. If you want to check out the video that I did on this one, I'll leave a link in the description below. After that is my flashlight, and this is the i3T EOS Donut Edition from Olight. I believe these things are going to be going live on April 14th. I just got mine pre-release, and this model of flashlight has been featured in multiple pocket dumps and videos before. It gets pretty bright. It takes a single AAA battery and kind of goes along with the overall aesthetic that I'm after. I totally skipped the interior patches. My bad on that. Let's go over those real quick. We've got the Patchagonia patch from Everyday Patches, the JRW Globe Reclub, and then the Data Crew Reaper. This just kind of brings it all together within the pouch. Inside the front pocket is going to be my Zippo of choice for this month, and this is from Blade HQ. This is their Donut Edition. I got this at Blade Show West. They actually just handed me one. The cool thing about this thing is it's actually glow in the dark. Let me show you guys real quick what that looks like. I'll use the Donut Edition i3T EOS, and here we go. But yeah, this thing is glow in the dark, looks pretty cool, and who doesn't like glow in the dark things? The last item inside the pouch is going to be this bonehead from Workerman. This is the Donut Edition as well. And as you can tell, this is a donut themed build, but if you guys don't know what this is, it's an SFK. I can just kind of show you what this looks like. I'll probably make a dedicated pocket art video here soon. I'm just waiting on one item, and that one item is going to be a grill piece, but regardless of that, the bonehead is a really cool piece. This thing was actually pretty easy to score. I believe I had to pre-order it. You guys should definitely go check out Workerman. He does some amazing stuff. In terms of my primary knife carry, this thing, oh my goodness, the new Chavez 229 Kickstop. I'll probably feature this in a bunch of other videos, but I got mine from House of Blades. These should be launching mid-April, and I'll post a link below so that way you guys can join the waitlist. This thing is probably going to sell out instantaneously. Just look at how sleek and modern this knife is. The Kickstop is insane just because the flipper tab just completely disappears when you go to deploy the knife. This Kickstop 229 is just absolutely ridiculous. It still has that really signature chunky feel. And if you guys decide that you do want to pick one of these up, make sure that you guys use code EDM for 10% off at House of Blades. But there you guys have it, what I'm carrying for the month of April. And a matter of fact, I want to hear what you guys are carrying as well. Let me know in the comment section below. You guys may be featured in the next video. And aside from that, thank you guys so much for dropping by. I guess we'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace out.